MySQL and MySQL.
Okay, so we are live from the backstage of PyData Paris 2025. I'm with Jim, CEO and co-founder of OpsWork. Jim, it's really nice to have you there. How are you?
Enchanté. I'm very good, thank you. Really love being back in Paris.
So OpsWork is, of course, one of the big contributor of PyData Paris. Can you tell us a bit more about what is OpsWork doing?
So OpsWorks is a software platform for developing and operating AI applications at scale. We're best known, I think, for being what we call a creator of the feature store space. So we do real-time AI systems at scale, but we also support managing clusters of GPUs and training and inference at scale. So we're really a full stack AI platform for batch, real-time LLMs.
And you are based in Europe, right?
We're a fully European owned company. I think we're the only European real data AI infrastructure platform at the moment. I mean, the equivalent companies you'd see in the States would be like Databricks, but the difference is that we developed the whole platform to run on Kubernetes, so you can deploy it anywhere in the public cloud, companies like Zalando, but also in private data centers with companies like Ericsson using OpsWorks. So that means we're now at this sovereign AI, which is a very interesting new space. We're kind of leading in that.
So we can go full on-premise. Let's say I have 200 GPUs in my garage. I can pick up your stack.
Yeah.
And
you can deploy OpsWorks on it, Helm install, and then you can start serving some models, training models. Inference maybe uses a lot more GPUs during the day, goes down at night, schedules some training workloads, and really optimize utilization of your GPUs. But for enterprise, it's about sharing across teams, priority scheduling, and dedicated resources for teams and things like that, and preemptive scheduling, of course, as well.
Amazing. And I believe with the current AI wave, let's say, how does that impact how your customers are interacting with your products? Because you started this adventure quite a long time ago.
Yeah, we're a database platform effectively, and it takes a long time to build databases. Yeah. So we left the university, KTH, and brought in people from MySQL and Rice in end of 2018. So it's nearly 7 years ago now. But we're seeing a lot of growth in two main areas. One is real-time AI, and the other is in the area of what let's call it sovereign AI. Yeah. So people who have large data centers on-prem and they want to optimize utilization of those GPUs. So we're seeing a lot of growth in both segments because I think real time is something people want, that TikTok style experience where you click and within a second or two it reacts to what you've done. And people also are buying large numbers of GPUs and they need software to optimize the utilization of those GPUs.
Okay, really nice. And on a more personal level, what guided you to build such a company?
I came from a background. I worked with people like Ali Godse, who was a colleague. He's the CEO of Databricks. Apache Flink, the streaming version, part of it came out of our lab. My supervisor, my PhD, co-founded one of Europe's largest companies back in the day called Iona Technology. So I've been around a lot of startups, and we thought we built something interesting in research. We won a lot of prizes, our EEE Scale Prize for HopsFS, and we thought Europe needs a data AI platform. It's really, that driving factor to say, okay, we can build great system software in Europe, and we can, be the best in the world in our category.
And Europe definitely needs such solution, and it's amazing to have on the shelf. Maybe to close this interview, do you have something you want to share with us today?
I think I'll plug my book. I have an O'Reilly book coming out in a few weeks. It's called Building AI Systems or Machine Learning Systems with a Feature Store. So batch real-time LLMs. And the other thing I'll mention is that we do have the features. We organized the Global Feature Store Summit on October the 14th. And there we'll have a lot of great companies from, I think we have Lyft, Uber, EY, Zalando, and a bunch of others going to talk.
So nice. We'll definitely stay tuned and see when it came out. And once again, thank you, Jim, for your time, and enjoy PyData.
Thanks very much.